Armor Light from Keystone. Dependable temporary work lights for your project needs. Armor lights offer powerful illumination for projects that don't require permanent fixtures. Simply insert the standard USA 3-prong plug into a 120-volt socket and go. It's designed for portability. It comes in two versions, a Power Select model with 3 wattage outputs, and it features a 6-foot cord, and a Contractor Prime model that offers dedicated 100-watt power. Models come with either a 6-foot or 30-foot linking cord. Both feature a top level of 12,000 lumens. It has a fully silicone encased driver and is IP64 rated, meaning the fixture is dust-proof and protected against splashing water. And it features a metal mesh safety cage offering impact resistance. Heat is dissipated by Keystone's cooling technology, so there's no need for an internal cooling fan. These lights can manage temperatures up to 140 degrees Fahrenheit, so they can take the most brutal conditions. And it's easy to install. Models come with a 6-foot cord and include a simple mounting hook. Need more than one? You can link up to 5 amps max load. And it comes with a self-recovery fuse in case of overload conditions. And our temporary lights boast a 50,000-hour lifetime. Armor Light from Keystone, bringing convenient and rugged illumination to any remote task. That's Keystone. Light made easy.